Meaning of HTTP.
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 HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is a set of rules used for transferring data online. It's the foundation of data communication for the World Wide Web. HTTP establishes a connection between a web server and a client, allowing information to be exchanged in the form of requests and responses. When you type a website address into your browser, your computer sends an HTTP request to the server hosting the website, which responds by sending back HTML code that your browser then displays as a web page. HTTP has been widely adopted and is now a core protocol for the Internet.